Though pictures are worth 1,000 words, sometimes you need to add a bit of text to lead people to the right idea. Here's what you can do to give your text a little pizzazz. To start, launch your Instagram app. Then swipe left to get to the app's camera. Take or add a photo or background, and create your story like you usually would. When you want to add text, tap on the text icon at the top right and type in your text. To animate what you've written, tap on the animation icon at the top right. A preview of your text animation will start to play. Each of the provided fonts has their own little animation unique to it. Feel free to look through each one to see which you like best. Once you're satisfied with how your text turns out, tap on Done. Then tap and drag your text into position and finish editing your story. Once everything's set, feel free to post your story. Your text will appear as previewed. If you like this guide, make sure you subscribe for all sorts of videos covering Instagram and other technology. And don't forget to check out one of these videos we think you might enjoy.